Material-engineered wood. Mounting type floor mount. Room type bedroom, study room. Shelf type wood. Product dimensions 11.6 dx 24.7 wx 38.25 h. Shape rectangular. 3 deep shelves for books, games, toys and more. Sides of shelves shaped like puzzle pieces. Made of wood for durability. Assembly required. Packaged with detailed, step-by-step instructions. The charming KidKraft Puzzle Bookshelf offers a cute and fun place to store books and other small treasures. There are 3 shelves to fit books, toys and decorative items, at the right height for little ones to reach themselves. The whimsical design and colorful paint means this will fit in nicely in any kid's room. And the sturdy wood construction ensures this will last for years. It's not puzzling to realize this bookcase will be a winner every time. Top reviews from the United States. Great bookshelf. I bought this bookshelf for my daughter and she loved it, and I also bought the other colors for my son's room and they like it too.